What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation, have fun doing it. Now, this is manipulation if I've ever seen it. And it's really, really, really annoying to see someone use an event and lie like this. So first of all, so many of these magazines are such garbage. Like they all say the same headlines, like respectful pause, blah, blah, blah. Like, what? They're obviously super biased. They have relationships with these PR companies. Anyways, so Meghan, if you have, I'm sure you already heard, is delaying her Netflix rollout, supposedly due to the wildfires. But what the freak does a digital show, how does that affect the fires, delaying the show? Not at all. It's ridiculous. Like, what? It's awful they're happening, but what? It just makes zero sense. Actually, it makes sense. Why? It's a way to get her name in the news. My show is so important that, people who are affected by the fire, if they're seeing my show, they just will be so distracted by it and how great I am, they won't be able to cope. Just makes absolutely no sense. So I think it's a way to get her name out there. It's like she's so important that she's canceling her thing because world events and Meghan's show, they're both like world events. And the other thing now is positive PR. And then finally, because she's getting completely trashed for the show. Totally trashed. So I think that's like the worst thing if she's using this event for PR, which she is, right? It's literally here's what I think the most basic thing is. She's attached herself to the fires for PR, and now she's attaching her show to it for PR. There's zero connection between any of these things except the show and Meghan. But she said, hey, I got some PR, my lame little magazines that will write anything we want. They'll say what we want, right? We can keep getting our name out there. I have an excuse to delay the show because no one likes it. No one wants to see it. And yeah, that's basically it. There's not so much to say here, guys, other than I think it's just a way to get extra PR. It's a way to attach your show to the fires. It's a way to seem more important. It's a way to get positive coverage. Guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks.